Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got a Stryker SR-955HPC. We're doing a tune-up report for Alan in Michigan. Alan was starting with the power all the way down on AM. The watt meter there is set for 10 watts at the top scale. All the way down is 2. Now I'm going to go to the next scale, which is 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. And then I'm turning the power all the way up. We get 20 watts. Alright, peak power is on a 100 watt slug. Reading on that bottom scale there. Right there. Okay, so now reach peak power. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2. Okay. And let's go ahead and just do FM while we're here. That's FM all the way up. And all the way down is almost 1 watt right there. Alright. And then we'll take it to sideband. Just a couple watts all the way down. We turn this radio off. Then I'm going to turn it all the way up. Go back to this meter. Bottom scale. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2. There you have it. AM, FM, sideband modes, everything. Breaker 19 for radio check.
Yeah, come on. You want to come on over? Come on.
This radio good now, okay. What did he say?
Sorry, bro. Yeah, radio check. 1, 2, 3, audio check. Modulation check.
Hey, audio check. You sounded really good down here in Fort Lauderdale. Roger, Commercial Boulevard exit.
Okay, we should appreciate your back, thank you.
Where you at? Where you at, radio check?
Down here on Commercial and 95, going southbound.
I see your signal getting bigger now. Tell you what.